Alright, so I'm back on the A5000 and it's time for a shave. Got some sick edits up yesterday from Torquay. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see it. But yeah, got a bit of the flu, a bit of man flu. Need a shave. We're gonna go hit a bit of the gym and test out this camera in the gym lighting and also the Canon 70D and compare those. Let's have a shave and then we'll head off to the game. Perfect. Let's get ready for the gym. Now this with the Sony A5, I find that if I have natural light on me, the picture is unreal, but in dark situations, the black pixels don't pick up as well. So for video blogging outside, this is great and affordable. I think it was only like $300, $400. We'll go play with the Canon 70D as well. So that is going to be, was my main photo shooting camera, but also does video with 60 frames per second. It's not too bad, still getting used to it, but let's go test them both out in dull lighting inside a gym, because that's where most of my filming is going to be done, and I don't have 4K, so let's just see what works best.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited.
Uh-oh. Literally, just as I was about to walk out the door, I got a parcel. So let's open it up and find out what Rick has bought. Oh, how hard is this? Excellent. Leftover tape, thank you. There's nothing in that. This is what we wanted. Oh, the Crane Plus. Boom. So now we're going to be able to get some serious footage. I want to be out all day filming with this, so I'm going to go gym, try to get some cinematic footage with that set up, play around with that. That's going to be a few hours. So because I'm going to be out, actually, I'm going to pack some Muscle Farm mass gainer, meal replacement shake. That's going to keep my calories at base because I usually forget to eat and I'm left with 3,000 calories left at the end of the day, and it's party pies and pizzas. So that'll keep me happy and also help the metabolism just keep burning. Super pumped. Hopefully I don't have to charge the batteries. So let's get this out. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Serious business. There's got to be something else in here. I was going to throw this out. Luckily I didn't. These are my stabilizer handles. Yeah, I don't know why I'm still wearing my bag, but better grip. Highly recommend it. Never used one before, but I've watched a lot of videos, especially for an amateur video maker, i.e. Jessica. One hand is a lot harder to hold stable compared to two. So you're going to get way better footage. Boom, two hands, always better than one. I'm stuffed. Well, it's cardio done, warm up done. Let's sit. Preparing, charging the battery before using the crane. For the first time, please fully charge your batteries to activate and ensure the normal. Damn it!
We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So just while I'm driving, I want to explain some of my meal preps, or the meals that I have pre-workout, sorry. So before I work out, I usually like to I load up on most of my carbohydrates. Generally on days off, my training times will be very spontaneous, so that's why it's very hard for me to get any of my friends to come and video for me because I don't even know what time I train. So that's one hard thing about it. So a lot of my footage, I look like an idiot trying to film myself. Still on the lookout for a video photographer around the Geelong area. Today I've only had 2 whole eggs and egg whites on toast, so I've been trying to cut back on the bread. So I'll just have 1 slice of bread with baked beans. Love my baked beans, they got a lot of fibre in them. And then also had oats with protein, so Muscle Farm protein isolate, just so the protein digests a lot easier. That's the 2 meals that I've had before. I've had a coffee and 25 almonds. Yep, counted them. And I cannot get enough of the Muscle Farm wreckage. Definitely get that if you want 5% off. I don't know what's 5%, should be more. Go to subsaras.com and put in Westman 5 and you'll get 5% off all Muscle Farm supplements. But yeah.
Are you lost it? Oh baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. It's none of your business. I'll run, run, run. When did you quit being fun, fun, fun? Should have known better. I'm done, done, done. Nothing can faster than all of disaster. Oh baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. Should have known better. I'm done, done, done.
Okay, so I got a little bit of video footage from the different cameras. Didn't work out too much, just did the rack pulls and some ab. Not feeling too well, I don't really want to bash up my nervous system, so we're gonna go see if the crane batteries are charged and get out and try that.
Fog in the distance, the difference in where we're going. Don't remind me what we still gotta figure out, 'cause right now there's no way of knowing. Been having trouble keeping track of where you're at. There's too much going on just to go back. So I've been worried and wondering